Upload and edit an existing H5P content. One way to get started is by selecting an H5P content type from the examples and downloads page here on h5p.org. Download any of the examples content by clicking on download icon in bottom left corner of the content. Now you can upload this file to your site through H5P Hub. As I mentioned before, HP5 plugin is available for Drupal, WordPress and Moodle. In this example, we are going to use WordPress, because it's the easiest of three platforms in terms of setup and use. But nonetheless, when it comes to authoring section of HP5 plugin, it looks the same on all three platforms. On WordPress admin menu, select HP5 content, add new. This is going to open HP5 Hub. Select Upload and choose the file you just downloaded, and then select Upload File. Editor will now load and you can start editing H5P content. Use tutorial and example links at the top to learn more about this content type and to see some examples of use. When you are done editing the content, press Publish button on the right top corner to save your work. Now you can see and test your interactive content. In order to edit again, press Edit button above the content to make changes. When you are done, press Update to save your work.